Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan. Welcome back to my channel. In the previous episode, we talked about how to download, update, and install the ASUS Crate, which I have done in the previous video. And now I am going to show you how you can use Crate to install ASUS DriverHub as well as ASUS drivers. So in here, if you check for updates, I have all the updates installed. You need to click on this install button where we need to download the assistant, which will only be installed through the feature library. Here you should see a assistant tab, like we get the playground and content service, which I don't use. I only want to use the assistant. That is by clicking on the install button near the tab of assistant will start installing assistant area only, which is good. Installing a lot of features which you don't really need is unnecessary. So installing only the assistant is what we need to do, and the assistant tab is now installed. Now I'm going to reopen the app. This will relaunch the ASUS Armory Crate, and you should see multiple options. These are very useful, and today we are only talking about the ASUS Driver Hub. As you can see, I do not have a browser installed. That is why I installed Tiny 11. So I'm going to use the Ninite installer that I created during the creating making of this Tiny 11 ISO image. So I'm gonna plug in my USB. This will show up here. I actually don't have drivers installed, that is why it is very slow. You should see the Ninite installer here. Just open it up and this will start installing all those applications that you selected during the making of this Ninite package. And this will take some time, so I'm just gonna speed it up for you guys so you don't have to wait for it. And this will now start downloading my browsers and other installers applications that I use, like 7-Zip, Steam, Epic Games Launcher, and VLC Media Player. Brave Manage are the two browsers that I use on my PC. Brave are my main stuff, and other secondary browser I'm gonna need Edge for that. This is now downloading, which means I have to speed it up because this will take a lot of time. And now it looks like our first browser is installed while the other one is downloading. Let's open up the Armory Crate again. Now we are going to download the ASUS Driver Hub right here. Click on check it out. This will open up your browser and you will be given an opportunity to download the ASUS Driver Hub. I'm gonna go with forever allow, and we need to download the small tiny installer of ASUS Driver Hub. And the ASUS DriverHub is downloading. Now we are going to open it up and install it just like this. Just say yes to the prompt if you get one, and we need to read through the agreement, hit on accept, and this will show you that the installer is done. Now we are going to open up the ASUS DriverHub, right click on it through the and check for available updates. And now it will start scanning your system. Make sure you grant it permissions to scan your system, and you will be getting these updates right there. These are only the drivers, so don't need to worry if you get to install anything else. You will not get the ones like bloatware or something like that. Those things are in the separate sections. This is about my PC. This is devices and the drivers which I will install. You get the individual keys as well as some softwares which are technically bloatware if you don't use them. And now drivers are installing. This will take some time while I go and speed it up for you guys. While these are downloading, you can go ahead and do other stuff on your computer. Make sure Windows Update are paused because those also auto install your drivers. These are the best choice you get. So after a lot of time, all the drivers are downloaded and installed, while this is the last one here. And now I think this is also installed. After the installation complete, you will get this prompt whether you want to restart your PC right now or later. I will restart my PC right now. And here we are. Let's open and check for available updates on ASUS DriverHub just to make sure if all of those are installed, whether there is single one remaining or not. So the Ninite did its job and all the software from the Ninite package are installed on my system. That is why it opened up in Edge instead of Brave, and looks like all of your drivers are up to date. There is no need to download or updates again. Now let's make sure if all the drivers are installed. Okay, we get a driver problem right there. You can just update driver because those are already installed. Scan the system again and this problem will go away. Yeah, as you can see, this was just installing, taking some time, and you won't get any problems till now. Okay, let's open up the device manager instead again, and you see all the drivers are installed. We don't get any updates, drivers, or errors. Now you can go ahead and start or resume your Windows updates. As you can see, this will start downloading Windows updates, and this will not download Windows version of your drivers. ASUS DriverHub is literally the only and the best choice if you have an ASUS motherboard. This will start checking for updates. I paused the update as soon as I installed Windows, so that is the best practice you can do. Anyway, these are now downloading and my work here is done. After all these updates are downloaded, you will have to restart your PC, so don't worry about that. Restart and check for updates and again until you see the all your PC or all of your system is up to date. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.